Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you my current monsoon favorites for my skin because Delhi monsoon is at its peak right now and my skin feels really oily and sticky. I have a few favorites and I'm going to share them with you in this video. The range that I'm talking about is the MamaEarth Tea Tree range, and I have the face wash and the oil-free moisturizer, and these have been my saviors this monsoon because it's really hot and humid and sticky here in Delhi right now. So these have worked really good for my skin, and if you want to know more about them, keep watching. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And now let's get started. So the first thing that I have is the MamaEarth Tea Tree face wash. This has tea tree and neem, and it comes in a plastic packaging like this with a pump dispenser, which makes dispensing the product really easy. The product has a runny consistency and a gel-like texture, very easy to use for acne prone and pimple prone skin. But even if you have oily skin otherwise, you can use it because it has tea tree and neem, which helps cleanse your skin very deeply, and it also balances the oil on your skin. This is paraben and SLS free, dermatologically tested, and it suits all skin types for sure. Usage is really simple, and I don't think you need a demo for that. Just take out a few drops on your palm, on your wet palm, and rub your palms together and apply it on your face, massage your face, wash your face. You should be done, and it's as easy as that. The key ingredients in this product are tea tree, of course, and neem and aloe vera. So tea tree and neem, they are antibacterial. They help purify your skin from the inside and keep it bacteria free, pimple free. And aloe vera, as we all know, helps calm your skin down. It heals your skin. So overall, this product is good for all skin types, but especially good for anybody who has very oily skin or acne and pimple prone skin. So right now in monsoons, I have totally been loving it. You should definitely give it a try if you're looking at something which will help control the oil production on your skin. If you're a teenager or just suffering from acne, teenager or adult, doesn't matter, you should definitely give this product a try. And what is a skincare regime without a good moisturizer? The one that I'm using is a tea tree oil-free face moisturizer from MamaEarth. Again, this has tea tree and salicylic acid mainly, and this is good for acne prone skin, for people who have pimples, very oily skin. So both these products together, they go hand in hand. And this oil-free moisturizer is great because it keeps your skin hydrated for up to 24 hours, but it does not make it doesn't make your skin sticky or oily. So that's really important. Your skin looks and feels healthy, but there's no oiliness, no greasiness, no chip. And on the side, it also fights acne and pimples and fights your overproduction of oil in the skin. So a really good product to try. And for somebody who has acne and pimples, this is what it looks like, and this is the texture. And I'll just massage it into my skin, and you'll be able to see. You can see there's no oiliness, no stickiness. It got absorbed into my skin completely, and that's what happens when you apply it on your face. And it's a great product to try. It does not have SPF, so you can even use it in the night if you're using just one product, but I like to use it during the day and layer it with my sunscreen when I'm stepping out. Tea tree, as we all know, disinfects your pores. It cleanses your pores from within, reduces inflammation on the skin that happens on acne prone skin. Salicylic acid unclogs your pores further. It improves the appearance of your skin. It helps clear your skin from acne. And this also has vitamin E, which is good for moisturizing your skin. It deeply moisturizes your skin, and it also soothes and calms your skin. The face wash, it lathers really well on the skin. Skin feels squeaky clean after you have washed the product off from your skin, and still your skin does not feel dry. That's something I really look forward to in a good face wash. It should clean your skin but not make it dry, because if something makes your skin over dry after washing with it, it's going to lead to an overproduction of oil, and that defeats the purpose of cleansing your skin. So this is a great cleanser, a great face wash, because it does not leave your skin dry, because it has aloe vera in it, and that's something I really look forward to in the morning when I get up. The oil-free moisturizer, it has a very smooth texture and consistency, and once you apply it on your skin, it gets absorbed completely and instantly, and there's no stickiness on your face. Fragrance is really nice and fresh. It's very calming also, and for somebody who has irritated skin, it's going to be a great experience to use. this product because it has a very calming effect on you and it gets absorbed easily. You can easily wear your makeup on top of this, and it's not going to slip through the day because it is an oil-free moisturizer and it does not make your skin oily. In fact, it controls the oil production on your skin. So for somebody who has oily skin or lives in a very humid climate, this is a great moisturizer for the daytime. So overall, this combo together, the face wash and the moisturizer, the oil-free moisturizer, this is a really it's a godsend for somebody who has very oily skin or has acne prone skin. I have totally been loving the range at the moment, and you should definitely give it a try if you have skin like me. MamaEarth products, I've been using them for a long time, and you know that they are not harmful for your skin. They're all natural, they're made with natural ingredients, they are free of harmful chemicals, free of parabens, SLES, SLS, silicone, so they're good for your skin, and the brand as such is good for the planet. They're a plastic positive brand. Every time you shop from them, they link your order on the website to a tree that they plant. They also send you the exact geolocation picture and the species of the plant that they have planted. You should definitely shop from their website, and also when you use my coupon code, you can get a 20% off on their website, mamaearth.in. This is my coupon code. Don't forget to use it when you shop from their website the next time. The brand is also available on other e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Nykaa, Purple. Links are going to be in the description box down below. MamaEarth has also launched their own app, and users of the app get early access to deals and discounts. So that was all from my side on the MamaEarth Tea Tree face wash and oil-free moisturizer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this helpful. Don't forget to use my coupon code when you shop from mamaearth.in. That'll be all from my side in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this helpful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for more, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye.